What's up, scoundrels? My name's John, and I'd like to welcome you to the Ride Free YouTube channel. I do be riding that motorcycle. We do be riding that motorcycle. Hey, look at this day, son. Day, beautiful day. Let's fucking ride. Let's ride.
Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat.
Let me show you some things. I can make it bang. 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 You should come over here and let me show you some things. You should come over here. Let me show you some things. You should come over here and let me show you some things. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang.
Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it again, say it again, say it again, say it again.
No way.
Y'all see that fucking line, dude? Fuck that line, man. Huh? Hey, I appreciate it, bud.
Damn good.
Thank you, thank you.
Love that for him. Dude, it makes me want to ride easier when I see him.
Yeah, you ride? You ride a rocket or what?
Yeah. Sport bikes. I have a Fireblade.
Hell yeah.
Fuck that Fireblade. The thing wants to kill you every 10 seconds. No, this is badass though.
Yeah.
What year is it?
2018?
Really?
Yeah.
Did you make the tank look like that?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So it looks badass.
Yeah, I did it to all the tins. I just roughed them up. I added some gold in there, but this was already blue. And the tins were black. Or the front and rear fenders were black, so. Shit.
Good though.
Yeah, it looks all right. I put 20,000 on it, so it's time to do something. Let's say 40, yeah. Mid 40s, if you ride like you want it, you can get it. But the Sportster has 5 gears.
That intake's dope though. I saw it when they were coming up here. It's a Corvette motor on a Sportster.
A V8? Yeah.
It's insane.
That is insane.
Where they had Bikes and Coffee, I was like, what the fuck is that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I went to Bikes and Coffee not too long ago. I think the last one they had. I think we were going to hit this one, too. I usually take my stepdaughter.
Yeah. I was like, that is an insane bike. I'm not doing that. And I ride it, and I was like, hell no. It's fast. It's just a lot of bike.
Yeah.
I was like, I worked my way up to it by buying another fucking 600, and I was like, we'll work with this.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Nice bike, dude.
Hey, appreciate it, bud.
Yeah.
Be good. We'll see you on the road sometime. To pick up a prescription for Kelsey.
Don't have anything here.
Let me make sure they send it to the right one.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, which Walmart were they sending it to? Okay, there's 2 on Bryant. I went to the one closest to the house. You think it's the one on the other side of Bryant? Because they don't have it here. Okay, I'll check that one. Okay, that'll work. All right, I love you. Bye.
Yo, what up,
Filming. What's up? Say something to the camera.
What you be doing? What you be recording?
Moto vlogs.
Oh, hell yeah. What you post on?
YouTube. Yeah. Ride free.
Chuck Chill had my homies on the hill getting shell toes and BVDs. A killer crease inside my leaves when I hit the streets. I'm playing Skelly Ring Olivio and catch a kiss. Before the homies in my hood learn to smack a bitch, back a bitch. I remember way back the weak weed they had. Too many seeds in the track, a bitch. It's in the trade bag. I'm on the train heading uptown. Freestyling with some wild kids from Bucktown. finally, cause the hoop cheap was staring. Hoochies on the wall. I'm taking leaps on the steps, thinking up the hall. There's a juvenile, a young nigga trying to stay away from Rikers hell. Me and my homies breaking nights, trying to keep it true. Young nigga trying to stay away from Rikers hell.
Make it go.
Young nigga trying to stay away from Rikers hell.
Anyways, that's it. Look, it's a cat. She's scared. That cat was scared. She ran. 2 Wal-marts. One guy. 5, 7, 1,800 motorcycles. And we finally got their package. All right, we got it. No worries. Let's take it in. Plus, I gotta feed the boy. Feed the boy later.